Good morning, student of class 7th. The adjective topic is the adjective, chapter 4, part 3. We have already discussed on part 1, and in part 1 we have read a number of adjectives like adjective of quality, quantity, adjective of number. Now we go to demonstrative adjectives. Look at the blackboard for demonstrative adjectives. It is used to point out specific person or thing. There are 4 types of demonstrative adjectives: these, that, these, and those are all demonstrative adjectives. Now we go to the use of demonstrative adjectives. Just you look at your blackboard. The use of these. It is used to modify a singular noun which is closed by. अर्थात this is used as an adjective to modify a singular noun, but that noun must be closed by. अर्थात से noun सर्वदा निकटस्थ होइतिबा दरकार. Just look at your blackboard. This toy is mine. अर्थात this, here this modifies toy. This car is new. Here this modifies car. So this is called demonstrative adjective clause. Now we go to use of that. Look at the blackboard. That is used to modify singular noun which is far away. It is quite opposite of this. This is used to modify a singular noun which is closed by, whereas that is used to modify a singular noun which is far away. Just we can use, in place of this, we can use here that. Look at the blackboard. We may see. We may say that toy is mine. That toy is mine. Here that modifies toy, but here the toy is far away. Similarly, we may say that car is yours. Car is yours. You see, here that modifies car, but we must have to understand that the car is far away from the speaker. Now we go to use of. Now we go to the use of these and those. Dear students, you know, these and those are used to modify a plural noun which are either closed by or far away. First we go to these. First we go to these. Look at the blackboard. These is used to modify plural nouns which is closed by. This is the plural of this. This is the plural of this. This is used for singular noun to modify singular noun, where these is used to modify plural nouns. But that noun must be closed by. This is the difference between These are those. Those is used to modify plural nouns which is far away. Just you go to the examples to clarify it. पिला माने एको clarify करिया पई हमें example को दिबा. These flowers are fresh. Just it means the flowers are very close to the speaker. जी कहूची कर्ता वक्ता ता पाखरे अछि फूल. ई फूल गुडी का फ्रेश. But these flowers are rotten. से गुडी का नष्ट फूल. किंतु ए गुडी का भला फूल. These birds are black. ये पाखर थिवा चढ़े गुडी को आक्षेप करी कहू थी. These birds are black, but those birds are white. So my dear students, I hope you must understand about the use of these and those which comes under demonstrative pronoun. Dear students, now we go to a chapter. Just you look at your book. Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative adjectives are used in interrogative sentence with noun. The main interrogative adjectives are whose, what and which. Whose car will you take to go to Agra? Here, whose modify cars. What job does he do? Here, what modifies job. Which car will they give you? Which modify cars. So, interrogative adjectives, my dear students, are those adjectives which are used to make questions. The important interrogative adjectives are whose, what and which. Just you look at your book for betterment. Emphasizing adjectives. These adjectives are used to emphasize nouns. I saw it with my own eyes. Your own emphasize eyes. This is the very camera I had used. Here very modifies camera. The adjectives own very emphasize the noun eyes and camera respectively. So these are called emphasizing adjectives. Now we go to proper adjectives. Proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns. This is a Chinese toy. That is a Japanese car. Here Chinese and Japanese are proper adjectives. Because these adjectives are formed from proper noun. Here China, Japan are proper noun. Similarly, you may tell Indian toys, American boys, European people. These American, European, Indian, Chinese, Japanese are called proper adjectives. Now you go to participle adjectives. Participle adjectives have the same form as the participle verb ending in ing, ed and en. These adjectives have all ordinary properties of an adjective. Present participle ending with ing, whereas past particles are ending with en or ed or t. This lesson is interesting. Interesting is an adjective which is called participle adjective. The movie was boring. Boring is an adjective which is also called particular adjective. They are fed are the annoying noise. Annoying is called participle adjectives. Participle adjectives are divided into two parts. One is present participle adjective, another is past participle adjectives. Present participle adjective ends with ing, whereas past participle adjectives ends with ed or en and so thus. Here interesting, boring, annoying, enjoying are present participle adjectives. This is an annoyed man. The annoyed neighbors May harm you. Bharat was bored by the movie. So these are called past participle adjectives. My dear students, now we go to another form of adjectives, that is comparison of adjectives.